Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy holidays. It's the Silver Fox here. Hey, just something I noticed. Been pretty busy. I had a auto repair, a pretty big one that I've been dealing with the last week since Black Friday. We're all safe and sound, no worries. So on eBay, I noticed, it's Q4. A lot of people are buying things. And I haven't really been a person to send out anything the same day. Or basically, what I'm saying is, print it out and either ship it that day to the post office or wait a day or 2 days or whatever. But I have noticed, it could be a coincidence with Q4, but if I print out the labels or mark as shipped, there's a few things where I just put a stamp on it and I know it's not being counted as like a tracked, scanned item, but it's cost prohibitive for me to do that. If I mark it shipped the same day it comes in, or like it comes in at 11 p.m. and I get it the next morning, I've noticed, could be coincidence, that my sales continue to basically get a sale, at least one sale each day for the most part. So tell me what you think. Have you ever tried that? Have you ever shipped out or labeled things out the same day or next day? And has it increased your um, sale ratio? Just curious. All right, guys, just something I noticed. Thought I could help somebody out if they have some slow sales. Happy holidays. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.